Next Level Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. Content creators on YouTube, some of us are niching down so far that we're not able to build an audience and build a family. And so what I've learned to do on my channel is not so much as think of a certain topic or a certain idea, but think of the audience that I'm bringing in. For example, on my channel, it's empowerment, personal development through music and motivation. Now, I have to be the first one to admit I'm kind of breaking the rules in that way because bigger YouTubers suggest that you niche down to a certain idea. But this helps me to stay positive. It helps me to stay motivated. It helps me to not get bored. It helps me to keep fresh ideas coming to mind, different content strategies. So a lot of things that we find out content creators are doing wrong is niching down in a way that limits their creativity. If I'm going to have a niche, it is more so of a audience, not a limiting idea. So keep that in mind as you go through your channel and build your channel to the next level. And if you're part of the family, you already know that's how we like to do it to get it done. We want to go to the next level in everything that we do. So what I've had to do on my channel, I've had to redefine the whole idea of what having a niche is really all about. And for me, it's not so much as limiting myself to a certain topic and idea. It is more so of finding an audience that's into the things that I do. So keep that in mind for your channel. Maybe there's a way that you could redefine the whole idea of what it really means to have a niche. A lot of times what I've seen in my research, content creators are doing wrong is they're creating a niche in a limiting way when we can redefine what a niche is really all about. And if this is your first time, great music, entertainment, inspiration, motivation, hit the subscribe button. Let's do our content right together. Join the family. Love to have you as a part of the Next Level community. What works for one channel may not necessarily work for another channel. There's a lot of things that we can do in our own channel. Experiment, taking the chances, being able to step out the box, being able to take a chance and bring something new to the platform. And maybe you're watching this right now and all you really need is some mindset strategies, the mentality of being a content creator. It can get tough sometimes. It really can get tough. I want to share this video with you right here. I think that would be a great video for you to watch next. So check that video out. See me over there. Thanks again for watching and subscribing, becoming a part of the family. Grab some product and take it home with you. Stay blessed, stay positive. Nothing that needs to be done that together we cannot do. I'll see you on the next level. Peace.